Okay, here we are. This is station 2. Here is the shark, and here's the seaman. Here we go. Oh, did you see that happen? Oh, that was with ease. That's a 45-degree angle. Ooh, wait, she's going underneath. This is for the real kill. Whoa, look at that one buzzing about. Oh, got a little too close. There he goes. Oh, wait till he lands. See how she waits? She's patient. She waits till he lands, and she got him. Oh, you too can be purchasing a shark. It would just
a shark bee collector
and
yellow jacket collector.
Oh my gosh, look at that! You can have one of these.
They not only vacuum, they not only do corners.
My coat comes off. Okay, go ahead. Tell the audience again. What now? Oh, that was a good one. She got another one. Okay, now they not only do corners.
This shark does everything. It cleans corners. It does stairs. And it now is my favorite tool for yellow jacket killers. It's way better than their, what do you call them? Yellow jacket traps.
Yes, or even an EpiPen. You don't need an EpiPen.
You don't need an EpiPen, you just need a shark. And this would be the shark model, I don't know.
Oh no, move your wand. Yes, it's a rotator. Get it?
It's a complete sealer.
Oh, complete sealer. Well, okay, watch. We're gonna watch. Oh, watch. This is
coming.
This is coming. Whoa. Station 2. See how she has the patience? She waits. Sometimes she follows them with her handy dandy wand. Just like a good mechanic, she goes under the vehicle. Here she comes. So here's a frontal view. She got it! Look at her face! That tells it all! Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, looks like Miss Seaman's going to give us a couple more demonstrations of how to use this handy dandy shark wand. Whoops! Wait a sec. One might have got towards her a little too close. Okay. Is there anything else you can tell us, Miss Seaman, before we end our commercial?
Yeah, once again, I want you to notice.
Yes.
Here, let's do this view.
Oh, okay, wait a sec. She's got a real good view. Oh, ooh. This is only for this audience.
Okay, ready?
Yes, ready.
Quick view.
Quick view.
Oh, whoops.
The shark has many talents. You just have to know which talent to press.
Oh, okay, wait just a second.
Okay, wait a sec. There, she's gonna
Okay,
show us.
ready?
Yep, we're ready. Oh my gosh, look at in there, and one's live. Oh, two live.
Lots of them are alive.
Oh my gosh, look at in there. You too can capture all these wonderful little creatures. Okay, did you see how she did that?
And die.
And she just used her wrist. And look how she pops that puppy back
in there. And then I just
there.
pop the puppy back in there.
Oh my God.
And then I go.
Okay, wait a second.
Come on.
She presses the handy dandy button.
I killed them all.
Oh, you want to say that again, please?
I killed them all.
And we want to
just
thank...
for the moment being. But we would like to thank Shark for keeping us alive and for creating this amazing vacuum cleaner that not only cleans corners and windows and everything else, kills yellow jackets.